In this video, we will discuss about wireless connections we can use to connect our computer and devices with internet. Children, wireless connection means to connect our devices with internet we do not need cables and wires, and also it provide high speed data transfer rate, and this type of connections are comfortable, reliable, because we can just connect our devices anywhere in the world. Satellite connection. First we will discuss about satellite connections. Children, as the name is, we use satellite to transfer data over the internet from one computer to another. It is a type of broadband connections because it provides higher speed than dial-up connection. But children, satellite connections are slower than DSL and cable connections. It is useful in the area where physical cable network is not there. In rural areas, satellite connections are very useful because it enables the user to take the advantage of internet facility, and it is available anywhere in the world. In satellite connection, children, what happened? Satellite dish is placed on the rooftop of users premises. Users की premises की rooftop पे satellite dish as a antenna place की जाती है. Whenever we browse any website, signals transfer from our satellite dish to the satellite in the space, and satellite acts as a relay stations. It accepts the signals, it interprets the signals, and then it transmits the signals to the another earth stations, and this way we just use the internet. That is the reason, children, it is a slower than DSL and cable connections, because signals are going from earth to space and space to earth. And also it is affected by the weather condition. If weather conditions are not good, we get the poor internet quality, and if the weather conditions are good, then we get the good quality internet speed. Now just see what is the speed. For downloading we can get the speeds 500 kilobits per second, and for sending we just get the speed of 80 kilobits per second. But as I told you, it is faster than dial-up internet access. Children, satellite connections has only one advantage, that we can access the internet anywhere in the world where the conditions are not there that the cable can be installed. Use of smartphone. All we know that nowadays we are using our smartphones to access the internet, and as you can see in the picture, our mobile phone works as a internet provider device. We can just use the internet through our mobile phone. We can just access the websites, we can just manage the emails through mobile phone. Also, if we like, we can share the internet connections between various other devices also. In that case, children, what happened? In today's smartphones, there is a router facilities inbuilt. Router facility means, as suppose we have connected our mobile phone with our laptop, computer and another mobile. We have connected 3 devices and we are sharing the internet connection with 3 more devices. Whenever we just send any request from the laptop, that request just goes to the internet, and requested back signals data come from mobile to the laptop. In that case, mobile has a router facility. It see that the request coming from computer, laptop or another mobile, and according to that it transfer that information to the particular device. हमारे मोबाइल फ़ोन में राउटर फैसिलिटी भी होती है. राउटर मीन्स डेटा को करेक्ट डिवाइस पे ट्रांसफ़र करना. एंड all you know that for that you just use a hotspots. Children, hotspots are what? Hotspot is just a area where we can just connect our devices freely and we can just avail the internet facility. Use of dongle. It can be also called as a USB modem. Children, this type of dongles are beneficial to use the internet facility when we have a lots of work over the internet during the traveling, and also if we don't want to busy our smartphone, we can just purchase a USB dongle. It is a plug and play. As we just connect it with the laptop PC, it is automatically installed and we just use a internet facility on our laptop or computer. So dongles are useful in case of business and professional work. Otherwise we can just use the smartphone. WiMAX, its full form is Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access. Children, in this, microwaves are used for transferring the signals. In this, what happened, children, that there are WiMAX base stations are installed like a cell phone tower. जैसे सेल फोन्स के टावर होते हैं सिग्नल्स को ट्रांसफ़र करने के लिए, जस्ट लाइक दैट WiMAX बेस स्टेशंस इंस्टॉल की जाते हैं दैट कैन कवर चिल्ड्रन 30 miles एरिया, एंड ड्यूरिंग दैट एरिया वी जस्ट गेट द Wi-Fi connectivity. Means if we have a WiMAX transmitter in our device connected with our device, then we can easily use a free internet facility in the range of 30 miles area, and it enables the user to take the advantage of high speed free wireless connections. As you can see in this picture, WiMAX tower is there and we can connect our devices with the WiMAX tower with the help of WiMAX receivers. It is a small device that is connected with our computer laptops. Through that we can send signals to the WiMAX towers and it sends our signals to the other WiMAX devices. As I told you, in this type of system there are two main components, WiMAX tower and WiMAX receivers, and WiMAX towers are also can transfer the signal to another towers, and this way we can use the internet facility. It is very much useful during the traveling also, and you can say it is a huge wireless hot spots. We can just check our emails during traveling, we can watch movies, shows, because we are getting free Wi-Fi connectivity, and it just give us the speed up to the 72 megabits per second speed. So these are some ways, wireless methods to connect our devices with internet. Thank you.